Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for mid-July 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. And in this video I am going to check out your past, present and future energies. Alright, so let's get started. Let's see what is there from Aquarians for mid-July 2021, please. Aquarius, mid-July 2021. Okay, so the obstacle for you in the middle month is the King of Swords, and the overall energy for you is the Ace of Cups. Okay, so I'm really getting that energy where you are feeling very much in control in this middle month. Okay, so around this month you're feeling very unemotional. This might be an obstacle for you, might be you are feeling emotional, but you have to show, since you are an Aquarius. So air sign, King of Swords is also an air sign, so more like that air energy where you have that emotions but you are not able to show to someone or to some people, to something. Okay, so that is where your emotions are not working, and or they are there but you're not able to show them. Your overall energy is the Ace of Cups. So yes, see, this is how this is different. Okay, so your overall energy is Ace of Cups. So somewhere you are feeling very emotional but you are not able to show it to anyone. So that is why it's a very new thing, not a new thing for you, but yes, for people around you, they might get misunderstood by this situation, by this thinking of yours. Okay, so what is hidden in behind the deck? So this is the advice from the universe basically. So we have the Seven of Pentacles. So yes, the universe is trying to tell you over here that you are investing your energies, your time, your money in a valuable thing right now. For that, when we try to invest on something, you are investing. It can be a relationship, it can be a new job, it can be a new venture, business, anything. So if you are investing in something, if you are investing anything in something, it really needs some time to get the fruits back from that situation. Seven of Swords, you really need to be a little more proactive, or a little more cautious, I would say, not proactive, a little more cautious in regards with some people around you. There can be some betrayals around you, so, or you might have already dealt with that situation of betraying from a betrayal from someone. Okay, Ace of Wands energy is here. It is telling me that you are working for something. There is some kind of a strong planning in your head and you're really working for that. That is why the Seven of Pentacles is also there. So these are hidden energies, because this can be your energies which are hidden, and which might be, which are important to come up on the surface, because sometimes what is hidden, what we really want in our life, sometimes it just overlaps with what we are doing in our life. So this is something you really need to listen from the universe. Alright, so your past energies are the Emperor, Two of Swords and Queen of Cups. So there was a situation in the past where you couldn't take a decision out of some ego issues, you or your person. It can be anyone, vice versa. So out of you two, somebody couldn't make a decision. There were strong emotions involved, but the thing which you are already going through, the problem, the King of Swords energy, the unemotional energy, you actually felt that energy long way back. You couldn't show it to someone whom you really loved, and that is why the problem started in your relationship. It can be vice versa. Your person was showing this being unemotional, but the emotions were there. At present, we have the Sun, Knight of Wands and Four of Cups. So at present, because of that past energy which was kind of misunderstanding for you, you are facing it right now, at present. And why? It's like, it's really, you are fine, around the world, in front of the world, in front of other people, your family, you are very fine. You're showing that, okay, it doesn't matter to me, it doesn't matter to me anything. Okay, so you are feeling like that somewhere, but you are really blocked from inside, you really are fighting somewhere from inside, you really, you might be even feeling rejected somewhere. So this can be your person as well who is feeling rejected by you, and that is why the blocking energy, the rejection energy is from the other person. You might be not showing it to people, but there is that energy inside, that the person whom you have loved is not there with you, because of the misunderstanding which caused long way back. In the coming future, we have 10 of cups, 5 of cups, and the wise counselor. So yes, in regards with love, in regards with marriage, I'm seeing strong regrets in life. You know, when we keep on focusing on the past, so somebody is going to feel regret about that situation, whatever happened in the past. And yes, there is some, so wise counselor energy is here. So this is the high priest of the tarot. So you can be, you know, you might be needing some help from a wise person who will give you a wise advice to you. It can be a counselor, you might be needing a counselor, you really need some help from people, or just a person who gives you really good advice. So you just need to go and talk to that person. So something is coming up in the future, we are going to clarify it more in detail. So tell me more about the King of Swords energy as the obstacle, please. King of Swords, why the King of Swords is here as an obstacle, please. King of Swords energy. King of Swords clarified by King of Swords, Six of Swords, and Knight of Wands. So yeah, so you are at a place, see, as I already told you, that you are at a place where you are feeling very unemotional. You are feeling that, you know, your relationships, or they are not, either your person is not available, or the relationships which you always require, they are unavailable, and unavailable for you, and this is the time for you to move on because they are not coming back. So this is a thinking of you, and that is why you might be really working hard. I really see fast energies for you for this thing, Aquarius, because when you really stop hoping for something, you have to accept whatever is happening around you. Okay, so let's check the why the Ace of Cups is here as an overall energy from Aquarians. Hermit, Four of Pentacles, and the High Priest. So yes, this is the same energy. If we talk about that, you are at a place where you are still suffering, you are still working on that situation which happened in the past, but there is a strong stubborn energy as well, which is not letting you to go and talk to that person. You really need, either you are in, this can be a marriage related stuff as well, or a strong bonding, strong relationship from the past, it can be that as well. But yes, there's strong stubborn energy from both the sides, which I'm really getting, although the emotions are really there. You might be dealing with a Cancer, Libra, Aries, Leo, and what do we have? We have Scorpio, we have Sagittarius, and Taurus as well. So again, Taurus, strong Taurus and Virgo energies are also there. So strong earth energies are here. So these are telling me strong stubborn things, you know, stubborn energies, where a person is feeling like, why should I talk to this person? So strong stubborn energy, to be honest. Alright, so let me clarify the past energies now. So please tell me more about the Two of Swords. So why the decision making couldn't happen? You know, what is this thing? What is that situation? Two of Cups, Tower, and Four of Swords. Correct. So there was a soulmate connection, a strong love bonding with somebody, which just ended all of a sudden. And it was really sudden, it was unexpected, because it was never expected before. Because whenever you really fight before, whenever you used to fight before, it was always like, okay, just a 1 to 2 days or some days thing, okay, but you were always like, okay, making things better again, but all of a sudden you couldn't make this happen again. So there was a lot of healing involved, there was a lot of miscommunication and non-communication no communication was involved. The emotions were there, but communication couldn't happen and didn't happen, and that is why the things got worse. Tell me more about the Nine of Wands in the present energies, please. Why the Nine of Wands is here? I think you're not giving up for the situation. The cards are the Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, and Two of Pentacles. Somebody is not giving up for the situation. It's like there's still hope which is left, but no one is coming up for this thing. Somebody is just waiting, sitting over there, that this person will come, and talk to me, will form a new communication with me, but it is not happening. It's a very juggling kind of a situation in which you are in, and your person is also in the situation. You both are feeling to talk to each other, but there is strong misunderstanding, I would say. Yeah, things are missing in between both of you. A communication bond is not there, which is really required. Okay, tell me more about the Four of Cups energy, please. Four of Cups. Five of Swords, the Moon, and Page of Pentacles. So yeah, there's also betrayal and a hidden energy involved in this situation for many of you. This might be not with everyone, with some of you only, because somebody is betraying someone, or somebody else is manipulating your person, or if you're cross watching, so your person is actually getting manipulated by someone which is really hidden. Pisces and Cancer energies coming up, Scorpio energies as well. So, and that is why the things are still in dark. The things couldn't come up in the light, and that is why the communication couldn't form in between both of you. Okay, so let me check, let me clarify this Ten of Cups. Why this Ten of Cups is here? Okay, so I see some kind of miscommunication getting clarity. So Ace of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, and Nine of Pentacles. So yeah, so I have this energy where you both might be talking, because Wheel of Fortune is here, so things can be sudden again. So Wheel of Fortune is the wheel of luck, things getting better all of a sudden without even you knowing for that situation. So yes, there's a happy family energy as well, but this can only happen when the other person feels a little bad and little sad about the situation, whatever happened in the past. So there's a lot of forgiveness which is required from both of the ends. I won't say only you need to let go, the other person also needs to let go and to forgive each other, because the mistake has been done from both of the sides somewhere. Okay, so we cannot only blame one person over here, because that is what I am really getting with the Ten of Cups and the Five of Cups. You really need to look in all the directions, standing in the middle and looking in all the directions. If we talk about, so it will come that the things happen from both the sides. Let me clarify the Wise Counselor energy, please. Why the Wise Counselor is here? Tell me more about the Wise Counselor. Three of Cups, the Fool, and the Three of Wands. So yes, a person is coming up towards you. This is a new beginning for either it can be a new relationship, or this can be a new beginning for the old thing, because you might be asking help from somebody around you. Might be somebody who is very much elder to you and a mature person. So you are over here, you are waiting for a person to come and all the questions which need an answer, whatever happened between both of you, at least that clarity will come and you will be able to get to know what exactly happened. There's some kind of a meeting as well, a social meeting, social gathering I'm seeing over here with this person, or with more than one person. Like you might be getting things done, like a mutual get together kind of a thing can also happen in between both of you. So that is why there is something coming up for you, Aquarius. Alright, so that is all from my side, my dear Aquarius. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.